Hi, my name is David Dubois. I'm the Manager of Business Development for Fink Machine here in Enderby, British Columbia. Many of our clients are always concerned and wondering how long does it take to do my daily maintenance on my boiler. So we thought we'd do a quick video to just walk you through what's involved. Let's go inside the boiler room and see what it looks like. One of our first stops is to take a look at our in-feed module to check and see if we see any obvious issues where fuel might be leaking out or if there's any liquids pooling or anything like that. Everything looks pretty good at this point, so let's go to our next stop. We're going to check out our secondary motor, see if there's anything out to lunch here or changed, as well as with our ash extraction. All looks pretty good right now. So next, let's check out our computer. In this case, it's with our district energy system. So we're not going to check out any of our clients, but let's go check out and see how things are going with the boiler. With the boiler visualization, we can see what everything is going on, how the water is coming in and out of the boiler, what's going on with our primary and secondary air, as well as with our oxygen. Everything looks pretty good. Let's see what it looked like since we checked last time. Kind of tough to read. We've had some up and downs, but generally, no real point of concern. Let's move on to the rest of the boiler. Let's check out our ash storage bin. Pretty empty. If it was starting to get full, we might need to change this out, but usually that only happens every few weeks. There's also a sight glass on top that we can use to shine the light in and take a look at it. This is our flue gas system. Not all boilers have this, but because we're in an urban area, we do have it. It also has a flue gas can that we need to check and see. Not a lot to do on this one either. This is our district energy distribution loop. We'll just do a quick check of any of our temperatures to see if there's anything obvious. Looks all good to me. This is the back side of the boiler where we have our tube cleaning system. We just be checking to see if there's any leaks in the air system, if we hear anything outside of the realm. Looks all pretty good to me. Check out the sight glass to see how the boiler's going. It's nice to see that spiral of that rotary combustion. Just feel like I need a marshmallow sometimes. As with any boiler, you're going to have a number of over-temperature devices, pressure relief valves, etc. We just want to take a look at those to see if anything is out of the ordinary. In this case, it all looks good. Let's go down to our fuel supply. We're lucky here because we're able to visually see our fuel supply coming into our boiler system. So we can take a look at it and see if there's any kind of overs coming into our system or what we're getting from our fuel supplier. Right now this all looks to be within spec, so we're all good to go. And that's it. That's a daily check of your boiler system and what you can expect. It's not very much to do, but it is something that's important. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at finkmachine.com. Thank you.